concept of heaven on earth has lingered in the minds of a few since the dawn of humankind. Yet for most of history, it has remained little more than a lofty ideal. For millennia, Earth seemed destined to crumble under the weight of its own chaos. Our troubles have been numerous, and they appear to grow ever more pressing over time. Yet, the recent centuries of human development may offer an unprecedented opportunity to chart a different course. In this journey of exploration, we will uncover how this vision might become a reality. A utopia may seem improbable, but it is undoubtedly possible, and you might have the chance to play a role in making it so.